God. I'm pregnant.
I'm sorry, again? Take two.
Repeat, scene 2.
That was 2 words. You should have got it.
Wow.
Okay, can we hear it again?
No.
Please?
That's one phrase I didn't think I'd hear in my
I
mother
didn't
say again.
understand it.
How old are you?
Really?
I didn't understand it. What did you say?
Those are 2 words I don't ever want to have to say.
Could you please repeat it? Because I did not get the mood at all. Please.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I didn't.
I'm pregnant.
Okay, I know.
Oh, my God. That's what I said. Oh, dear God, when I saw that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, I know mine.
Okay, you
I'm
ready?
Seems like you were already ready.
2, 3. Who's picked? Brandon, good for you.
Yeah.
Oh,